Yeah, guys, I must be way in over my head. It's missing the knobs and the speaker. It's also missing a little light that's going in there. This is a Deforest Crosley. I don't know, guys, if you can see it here. There you go. Look at that. It's got little bubble levels in it and everything, so yeah. I just picked this up at a garage sale. No more than a few minutes ago. Pardon the flies in here. The golf cart's gasoline. Oh, on a side note, just a little quick update. The thing lost spark, so it's going to be leaving in a few days. Anyways, here's the chassis. Or chassis. Canadian rotor. This is a nice, look at this. Canadian Radio Patents Limited of 1921-1933. So this one has been stamped 1933. So this one's probably a 33. It's supposed to have a light on the top there. In there, it's supposed to have a light. It's a piece of trim, if you're wondering. All the tubes and stuff is all here. So what's also nice is apparently the asbestos is gone. The quality furniture for 70 years. It's like all you can see the speakers missing. I do have a Stromberg Carlson speaker. It's probably a little smaller than this, but I can put it in there. The cords are original. All the cords are original. The power cord is in okay condition. Like, it's not the best shape, but it's okay condition. The speaker wire, if you're wondering, here's your ground right there, and then somebody's went and hopscotched it together. It looks like that black one was connected to this right here, actually. So it's a three gang speaker. So really, I just need the positive and negative cables hooked onto this thing. Anyways, I got my short checker, my homemade short checker, and I got the this part right here. If you're wondering, since this is a transformer operated unit, this is completely necessary. This is 100% needed. Because if there's a short that's in there, it could take up the transformer and it'd be end game for the radio. It would just be just kind of a conversation piece rather than a working machine. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can stick you guys somewhere where I can get it plugged in. Actually, hold on. Sorry about the sudden blackout. Alright, let me go. I already got that plugged in. Oh, by the way, I got that back from the clock shop, and it's doing perfect time right now. So it's almost 5. Right. Back to the business. You stick you in there. Okay. And let me go fetch the old power cord out of it. Oh, by the way, I paid $25 for it. I'm gonna take the label off. You guys don't really need to see it. Yeah, I paid 25 bucks for it. And it's a little dusty, a little dirty, and a little bit of love wandering on it. The cord's pretty much original, so I'm gonna have to be very careful with it. What's interesting is it still got its testing and repair, portable something. It's got its original sticker, original manufacturer sticker. So that's dynamo right there. That's a keeper. All right, let's play with this rusty thing. See if we can try and get it to stick. All right, it's in. I don't know if it's going on or if it's off or it's anything else for that matter, since it's not lighting up. So yeah. All right. I'm a trained idiot, so let's see if it will do anything. I don't see any power. Hold on. I think the knobs are off. I am going to borrow a spare knob from my shop radio. The tuning knob. That one's the easiest to pop off. We'll see if I can try and wrestle it on. Let me have a look, eh? Okay. There you go. That was the click that was supposed to charge this thing, so that's a good alright. That's a good thing. Alright. Gear on deck. Alright. That's lit up. Do we got anything going on in there? I don't see anything too special just yet. It seems to be giving it. Let's see. I don't see anything. It is it's kind of sticking it on there. It seems to be at a constant. Interesting. How's the cord? Cord's cold. That's a good thing. I don't see any lighty at all. There's nothing in here. Alright. Try it again. No. Interesting. It was supposed to light up, so. Okay. Alright. There, guys. I had to figure this out a little more.